have a 13 millimeter. We gotta go over these studs, and I believe these are 5 millimeter. Check. Okay, 1/4 inch. Funtime production. Flushing an AC unit system, you have to have dry air. And what we have here is an upgrade where I have a quick connect on this side and this side. And the air runs through this 3-stage filter with an air regulator, so it keeps the pressure for AC flush gun and a desiccant filter. It runs the air through that, and the solvent comes out of that canister, and I'm going to clean out this AC unit system in this 2012 Ford Focus.